Kerala Houseboat Tour. It is an integral part of a Kerala tour package, as it's unique, one of its kind, and found only on the backwaters of Kerala. Due to its uniqueness, there is a lot of curiosity around it. And because of this curiosity, there are a lot of questions which comes along with it. So for a traveler who is planning to come down to Kerala, there are a lot of questions which emerges in the mind when you're planning a Kerala houseboat cruise along with it. So the idea of this vlog is to quell those questions. This is a FAQ on all the key questions which arises in a mind of a traveler while on a tour to Kerala. I'm recording this in the form of a Q&A so that you have a clear-cut idea as to how your tour is going to be, what this experience is all about. So stay on and do give me a like and a comment if you like what you have seen. So we are now on a premium houseboat and this is how it looks. This is the captain's area. This is where he sits and operates the boat from. And those are the levers or the gears which helps him do the exercise. That's the living area with sofa. Then you have the seating area around. And that's the passage which takes you inside towards the bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom and that's how the bedroom looks. Simple and elegant. It has got a fan, enough and more lights, the air conditioning is in place, a mirror and a bathroom, which is modern again. Let's go into the other room. This is the second room attached adjacent to it with a similar setup, aircon, lights, fans and a bathroom of its own. Along the passage is the wash area which you use and require. Then attached is the kitchen. Kitchen is a modern kitchen and all the cooking is done over here. So is the cleaning. And right at the back is the genset which powers the boat. Primarily there are 3 different categories today, which is deluxe, premium and luxury. Earlier we used to have standard houseboats as well, which used to be non-AC, and now you have ultra luxury houseboats also with even jacuzzis on board. The houseboats have been differentiated based on the facilities, the design, the air conditioning timings and the cuisine which is served. Primarily, in simple terms, if we were to look at the differentiation, a deluxe houseboat has air conditioning working in the bedroom from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. A premium houseboat, the air conditioning is available anytime in the bedroom. And for a luxury houseboat, even the living zone is covered with glass and the air conditioning is available in the living area as well. The facilities and the design vary based on its class as well. Because of that, you have multiple pricing options available. No, at the moment there is no official classification system introduced by the government, but it is very much under consideration and should be rolling out pretty soon. The houseboat is an exclusive boat for you. Based on the number of rooms, the houseboat size varies, but the crew remains the same. You have a captain, you have a chef, and you have a steward who takes care of all your requirements. You have a living cum dining area. You have a television set which is available in the living area along with DVD in some cases. You have a bedroom cum attached bathroom. You have a wash area. You have an attached kitchen. backup generator facility. Hot water is also available. The boat sizes vary from 500 square feet going up to 2,500 square feet. That is from 1 bedroom to a 10-bedroom houseboat. The standard size of a bedroom on a houseboat is ranging from 90 to 120 square feet, going up to 250 square feet in luxury boats. Based on type of boat, you have television, DVD player, toiletries, etc. On a houseboat, you basically have two options available. One is the overnight cruise and the other one is the day cruise. The overnight cruise starts at noon and gets over the next day at 9 a.m. The day cruise starts at 11 o'clock in the morning and finishes by 4 in the evening. Needless to say, it is Kerala cuisine and there's a beautiful spread which comes along. Yes, of course, vegetarian option is definitely available, and Kerala has lots to offer for vegetarians. But you need to inform the operator in advance that you will be going for a vegetarian menu. The popular itineraries are from Alapi to Alapi, Alapi to Kumaragam, or Kumaragam to Alapi, and Alapi to Kollam. Apart from these, there are a few other multi-night excursion itineraries also available, but those are few in number. These are the popular ones. Multi-day itineraries are available today, ranging from 2 nights going up to a week, and it can all be customized to your requirements. The beauty of backwaters, the village life, the unique paddy cultivation, fishing, people, culture, temples, churches, mosques, toddy shops, to name a few. There are many activities that you can look forward to, but that doesn't form a part of this package. It all comes extra. You can look at canoeing, you can look at shikara ride, you can look at toddy tapping, you can look at fishing, you can go cycling, you can join the farmers in the paddy cultivation. That's not possible in the backwaters because from sunset to sunrise, it's the fishermen who take over the backwaters. They lay their fishing nets to gather the catch for the night. So boating options are not available. Absolutely safe as it comes with 3 personal security guards. Deluxe starts from 7,500 onwards. The premium starts from 10,000 onwards. The luxury starts from 15,000 onwards. Based on the standard of the boat, the design and the interiors, it may vary further. So there is no hardcore pricing strategy in place. It depends on the kind of boats you get. So check for the photographs before you finalize on the houseboat. Today in Alapi alone, we have about 1,500 plus houseboats, ranging from 1 bedroom to 10 bedroom. Apart from this, you have houseboats available in Kollam, Calicut and Bekal areas, that's the Valiyaparamba backwaters. Totaling, the other areas put together would be totaling about 500 houseboats. Well, just like selecting a hotel, it is a hard task. You have to check on the online reviews and look for a dedicated operator, a reliable operator who can give you the services that you're looking for and with the standard of boat that you're looking at. The easy way option would be to speak to one of the accredited tour operators approved by Government of Kerala, which you can look up in the link below, which will give you direct access to various accredited operators who would be able to suggest you the right houseboats along with your holiday. 100%, without any doubt, it is a must-do experience because this is one of its kind experience in the world. The houseboats on the backwaters of Kerala are absolutely unique. Alapi is one of the few places in the world where paddy cultivation is done below the sea level. So the location itself is absolutely unique. Apart from Holland, this is the only place where it happens. Most importantly, as a tourist, you are contributing directly or indirectly into the responsible tourism initiatives of Kerala by being a part of the Kerala Houseboat Tour. I hope I have been able to cover all the key questions which generally comes into the mind of people while booking a houseboat. This comes from 2 decades of experience in the trade and also based on the information got from the houseboat owners in Alapi. I hope it has given you a clear idea into the Kerala houseboats and how to go about booking a tour. I hope I've been able to give you an insight into the experience that you can expect when you're here. So don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity of being on a houseboat when you're in Kerala. If you like this video, subscribe, like, share and comment. This is Shailesh signing off from yet another vlog. Until the next one. See ya.